Hi, I'm Jamie, and welcome to Teachers Tech. You know how if you add text to a cell and then try to apply a formula to it, it won't work? I want to show you a way around this where you can add text and still have your formula work. So I have a formula, simple formula here. Here's my total of everybody here, 2.6 million of all of these. And then I have 9 episodes and I just divided it, get so much per episode. But if I was going to go to here and go in this cell, and if I started typing episodes in here, so that's spelled incorrectly. So if I just type episodes, click off, it doesn't recognize it because it becomes text. You can see how it's aligning. There's having some issue in here. But you can actually add text here. So if I look at this, you can see what's typed up here. But I'm going to go and actually format it so I can have words in it. So if I go back to this number 9 here, and I'm going to use Control-1, the shortcut, go to Custom, and this time, so it's just going to be, I'm going to use the 0, but I can actually add my own custom text formatting here. And so what I'm going to do is add a quotation mark here. I'm going to add a space and I'm going to type episodes like this. And then I'm going to end my quotation marks. So if I hit OK now, it says 9 episodes and it didn't wreck the formula. So if I look up in the formula bar up top, it still says 9. So I'll do that one more time. If I click on this one where the amount is, this is already formatted with the $sign. I'm going to go Control-1. And I'm going to go to custom, and maybe I just want the word total. So I can see there, if I go up and just pick a simple one here, you can go up and see all the different ones that you can pick. But if I was just picking this and I'm going to pick total, I can use my quotation mark and I write total, and I'm going to give a space and end quotation mark. And now I have total, the $2.6 million and nothing. If I look up at the sum, it's still there. The text isn't there, it's being recognized as a number. So that's a way that you can add text to a cell that doesn't get recognized as a number. And with any of these cells that you just formatted, just go back. I'm going to use Control-1 again. Check out the custom and notice that it's in here. So this is a format that's created. And if you didn't want it, you could delete it and you can see how it goes back to normal like that. I hope you enjoyed this tip about how to format your cells to use text and it works in a formula still. If you want to learn about how to combine different columns all together into one cell and even add text, take a look at this video. You'll be surprised how simple it is to do.